Section 6.4 is comparison shopping. What we want to do when we comparison shop is we want to find the better buy based on the unit price. So if you guys have ever been to Walmart before, you notice that Walmart has on their on the tags next to each item, they have like a red side and then they have a yellow side. And the yellow side is usually like the total price for the whole package, but the red side is the unit price. Because sometimes you might be able to get something for cheaper, but you get less of it. So then that means that your unit price is bigger. So for example, a really good one is cereal, right? So let's say that you're gonna go to the store and you're gonna buy Captain Crunch and or Frosted Flakes, right? And so a box of Kellogg's Frosted Flakes might cost like $3.99, but you only get 18 ounces, right? But maybe you get the Walmart brand, and the Walmart brand is 24 ounces, and it might be a little more expensive, like maybe it's $4.25, but you get more for it. So you would have to check to see, okay, well, which one am I going to get more for less? So if you calculate this, you would just take $4.25 divided by 24 and $3.99 divided by 18, and whichever one has the smaller cost is the one that you probably want to buy. Now that's if, you know, the Walmart version is tastes exactly the same as the Kellogg's version. So $4.25 divided by 24.177, and then $3.99 divided by 18 would be 0.222. So you actually get more here, but it costs less per ounce than the Kellogg's brand. So if everything else is exactly the same, you'd want to pay for this one because you actually, even though you're paying more per box, you're getting more in that box than you would if you bought the brand name. So let's look at what this looks like. So we've got oatmeal sold in 3 sizes. You have the price of an 18-ounce package, a 42-ounce package, and a 112-ounce package. So just based on price, right? Like maybe you only need it for cookies or something, right? I don't need a whole big package, but we're gonna look and see which one is the cheapest one, okay? So we've got the 18-ounce for $1.86. We have a 42-ounce for $3.17, and we have a 112-ounce package for $6.29. So we just want to pick which one has the best buy. So we're just going to calculate the unit cost for each one. So we have an 18-ounce, we have a 42-ounce, and we have a 112-ounce. Okay? So to calculate the 18-ounce, remember it's always cost divided by number of units. And these are all being measured in ounces. Okay, so we're going to take the cost, which is $1.86, and we're going to divide it by the number of units, the number of ounces, which is 18 in this case. So if we take $1.86 and we divide it by 18, we get 10.3 or 0.103. So this one would be like 10.3 cents per ounce. So we'll do the same thing for the 42-ounce package. So this one, again, just cost divided by the number of units. And again, our unit is ounces. So we're taking the cost, which is $3.17, divided by the number of units, which is the number of ounces. That's 42. So $3.17 divided by 42 would be 0.075. So this one you can see is less. Now, if you get confused by the decimals, I'll show you this trick here in just a second. So again, we're going to take the cost divided by the number of units, which in this case is ounces. So we're going to take the cost, which is $6.29, and we're going to divide it by the number of units, which is 112 ounces. And so $6.29, $6.29, can't read my own handwriting, divided by 112 is 0.056. So if you get confused and you're having a hard time figuring out which one is the cheapest one, just imagine each one of these numbers without the decimal point. So this would be 103, this one would be 75, and this one would be 56. And so the 112 ounce container would be the cheapest one.